start piping our macarons. Now in front of me I have some guides, so you can buy these. This is like a silicone mat which has the circles. But you can buy these, and yeah, they're really handy, but you can also make them yourself. So all you need to do is grab yourself a piece of baking paper, which is going to be the same width as the tray, like same size as the tray that you're using. And just grab yourself a standard size piping tip, and you're going to use this as a guide for your macarons. Just ensure that you have about a 1/2 inch spacing between each one, and you can just go over that with a permanent marker. And I only like to do this just on one sheet, and then we can use that as a guide for all of our trays of macarons. So I'm going to use my silicone mat one today just because I like how it sticks to the table. If you don't have one of these, you can stick this one to the table. All you need to do is put a little bit of batter underneath, okay? So now I'm using a 1/2 sheet pan today, but as mentioned, you can use any size tray that you like. And we just want to make sure that we're not going to have macarons coming up the side, so I'm just going to kind of make a guide how wide my tray is, and then we can put that over the top of this guide. Now, to ensure that this baking paper does not slide, we're going to put a little bit of our batter. So I'm just going to put just a tiny bit of batter in each corner, and we're going to stick this down.